Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Porchy Tech, and today I have in front of me the Spigen Rugged Armor case for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and we're gonna be doing the unboxing today. Okay, so I have the graphite iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I thought it would look nice with like a nice sleek black case, so I decided to go with this Spigen Rugged Armor case. So on my channel you can see that I switch up my cases a lot if you follow my videos. So if you have an iPhone and you want to see different cases, this is the right channel for you. So please consider subscribing, turn your notification bell on to get notified for my next unboxing with an iPhone case. Okay, so again, this is the Spigen Rugged Armor for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So as you can see, this is it right here, Rugged Armor. All right, matte black. I think they have another color, but I'm not sure if they have it for the 13 Pro Max. And also this case it's a pretty decent price. It's gonna run you $14.99 on Amazon. That's where I purchased this case. So if you're interested, I'm gonna have the link in the description where you can go ahead and purchase this case for your 13 Pro Max. Even if you have an iPhone 13 mini, 13 or 13 Pro, I'm gonna have all the link in the description, so you can just click on the link for whichever model iPhone you have and make your purchase. Okay, so without further ado, I'm just gonna jump in this unboxing here. So let's just go ahead and pop this open the box, put it aside here, and let's take this case out of the plastic. And here we have it, really soft and nice. It looks really nice here, like a texture right by the camera bump here. Really flexible and soft. It's not too much of a fussy case. It's just nice and simple. It does have this web design engravement in the back here and on the inside. Volume button right here on the left, power button on the right. You got your silent switch cut out here, and on the corners these engravements, I'm not sure what they're for, probably some shock absorbers or something. It's also on the bottom corners here, and we have a speaker grill and charging port here, and also this window here to expose our Apple logo on the back of the iPhone, and the Spigen logo is here on the back. Normally I like it on the side here. I really don't like it on the back of the case, but let's see how it looks. And this has like a carbon fiber texture look on the bottom here, which looks really nice, gives it a little pop. And we have our camera cutout here. It does offer a little bit of protection here with the lip that goes over your camera bump to offer some protection if you put your phone down on the back, or if it does happen to fall on the back. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead, put this phone in the case here, see what it looks like. There we go. Feels like there's not even a case on here. Feels really light, really lightweight and nice. So this is how it looks from the front. Have a little lip here to protect the phone if it goes down on the face. So there we go. Wow, it looks really nice with the graphite. If you have a graphite iPhone, I would definitely recommend this case. If you're looking to get a nice black case for your phone, it looks really nice, especially with this carbon fiber look here at the bottom. Gives it a nice pop. And the matte black here, there's no way you're gonna have issues with fingerprints. So that's another thing to consider here. No fingerprints here so far. There you go, no fingerprints. That's if you're a person who hates seeing fingerprints and you want a nice black case, this one is one that you definitely gotta consider here. It does have a little rugged look on the side here. That pretty much gives it the name Rugged Armor, and looks really nice, guys. Look at this. So these has some diagonal lines here on the side. Okay, and we also have some on this side. The top is smooth, like that black matte black look, and also in the bottom, but the back here, multiple textures. See how it has these engraved lines here. You can hear if I run my finger on here. And then this carbon fiber look and this logo cut out here, really nice. Okay, so If you're in the market looking for a nice black case, this is one that should be on your list. Okay, and again, if you're interested in this case, I'm gonna have the link in the description where you can click buy your case for your 13 mini, 13, iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, and iPhone 13 Pro Max, which I have here. Okay, so again, thank you for watching. All right, and also before I forget, if you want to buy this case, it does have a 5% off coupon that you could apply when you apply, and then it's gonna be at the checkout window. You're gonna see that coupon applied to your total. Okay, so thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. All right, thank you for stopping by and checking out my video, and hope this helps you out in deciding which case to get, or if you just wanted to see this case before you make a purchase. All right, thank you for watching again. Peace.